It's time to brave the Arctic tundra. We've been in the house staying warm, but Morris is hungry. We need to get food out and water refreshed. We were plenty cold enough again last night. Good morning, Morris. Hi. Yep, I know you're going to want your stripe, buddy. Be right there. Where'd Stripe go? Hi. Hi. There you go. Good boy. Hey, bud. So the word on the storm is it's looking like the moisture will get here a little later in the day on Saturday, and that means more ice and less snow, which is not what we wanted to hear. It doesn't change a lot for storm prep. It was the same regardless, but yeah, ice. Oh joy. Well, everything seems to be in order this morning, but another night in the 20s means another morning of lots of ice in the cat water bowls, wildlife water bowls. So carry them into the sink, pop the ice out, come out with fresh water. But everything's looking good today. Everything's in order. Marty's not smiling as much as he was a few days ago, but he did eat and he's happy enough. He's not hiding or anything, so just continue to keep an eye on him. Ordered a couple more things from Amazon to get here before the storm. Coming tomorrow or Friday, not Saturday. Saturday might be too late. All right, Sam and I.
Hey, how's it going?
Are in Ruby. We're headed up to the haircut place in Holly Springs and to run a few errands. Gonna come home and cook. I got a bottom round roast today.
Yummy.
And I got cheesecake, so hopefully I'll be the good mom. Sam showed up hungry. That's what you expect your young children to do when they show up at the house. Moms like feeding kids, so I made Dawn and Sam some good stuff.
Best mom in the world.
Some good stuff. So they're good for a while. They're good for a while. I don't know if Sam meant to make it so that I could go into Walmart and Guardian Angel without worry on the way back home and do more shopping because I didn't have starving people, or if they'll regret that decision. But at any point, this hair place is right up where the Lowe's is in Holly Spring and where the Walmart is, and I think I want to run into that Walmart. Well, our Walmart is already putting out the spring stuff. And this is kind of cute. I don't have a goose. I wouldn't mind a goose, but I don't have a goose. But these new metal things up here are pretty cool. Well, we are here at the Holly Springs Walmart, and as you would expect, there's cuteness. Cuteness abounds. So they have some brick craft Lego here, including these roses and a box of chocolates and stuff. And then they have fuzz mellows now, not to be confused with regular squishmallows. Apparently the entire planet is receiving some sort of a plush animal for Valentine's Day this year, because boy do they got a selection here. It's that time of the program where we take a quick walk through Guardian Angel. I'll be back with Michelle tomorrow. We've already talked about it, and so I won't belabor it in here, but Sam likes it in here with me. We have a good time. We have a good time. Sam's favorite thing, looking for more cool shirts.
Yeah. Gotta keep the...
Yep, and there's a good number to choose from. Well, you can see they've treated this lane of the road. So, I'm gonna take the cut through. I got a bottom round roast coming out of the oven any minute, and I made the broccoli cheese casserole. It's got some hot dog in it this time instead of sausage, and basil is the main seasoning. Hi, bud.